In a world where the sun rises each day, painting the skies with its radiant hues, there exists a profound and intricate dance between light and life. The story of how light optimizes our health is a captivating narrative that transcends the boundaries of science and biology, weaving a tale of ancient rhythms, powerful signals, and newfound revelations. Join us as we venture into the fascinating realm of light and its profound impact on our well-being. Explore how the very essence of daylight touches the core of our existence, unveiling the secrets of how light in all its spectral glory plays a pivotal role in shaping our vitality and health.
Sure, let's delve into the fascinating realm of light. To begin, we'll explore the intricate world of light physics, and I assure you, I'll keep it comprehensible even if you're not well versed in physics. After that, we'll journey into the realm of light biology, where we'll uncover how light is transformed into signals that your brain and body can harness to influence factors such as organ health or disease. Discuss how you can harness the power of light to rejuvenate specific organs like your skin, eyes, and even your brain. Breaking down the physics of light into a few essential points, the first point to note is that light is a form of electromagnetic energy. If the term electromagnetic seems daunting, feel free to disregard it and simply think of light as energy, a force capable of influencing its surroundings. Let's explore the concept of light as energy. Picture light as these energy waves traveling all around you. To simplify, envision these waves as little undulating motions, similar to how sound waves reach your ears and influence what you hear. When you hear my voice right now, it's due to sound waves, movements in the air particles that are striking your eardrum. In the same manner, light energy is made up of minuscule portions of electromagnetic energy that continuously travel through your environment as these tiny undulating waves. They interact with your brain, body, and eyes, among other things. As mentioned earlier, energy has the remarkable ability to impact other elements. It can trigger reactions within the cells of your body or even affect the ripening of fruit. Consider a piece of fruit exposed to sunlight. It ripens because the electromagnetic energy from the sunlight influences it. This is just one example of how energy can bring about changes in various objects. We're all familiar with the concept of food having calories. Calories are essentially a measure of energy and are related to the amount of heat generated when you burn a particular type of food. Understanding this, you can think of light as electromagnetic energy, but it's crucial to emphasize the word energy. Embed this notion in your mind, and you'll have a solid grasp of the first aspect of light physics. Moving on to the second point about the physics of light, it's important to note that light encompasses a spectrum of different wavelengths. To visualize this, think of the iconic cover of Pink Floyd's album, where a white beam of light enters a prism and emerges as a rainbow. Imagine strolling through a dense jungle, and there's a pit viper lurking nearby. To the snake, you appear as a heat cloud because your body constantly emits infrared energy. You emit this infrared energy, although you can't see it. However, if you were to don a pair of infrared goggles, you'd gain the ability to visualize the heat emissions of any living being, be it human or otherwise, that emits infrared energy. Now let's consider the opposite end of the spectrum. We're accustomed to perceiving objects in colors like blue, green, and various shades of pale blue. Yet, beneath this range, there exists even shorter wavelength light. Ultraviolet light is a prime example of such light energy, emanating from the sun and being reflected off surfaces in our surroundings. Although we cannot see it, intense exposure to ultraviolet light on a bright day can cause skin burns. However, in today's discussion, you'll discover that ultraviolet light can also have a positive impact. In fact, I'll share recent findings indicating that just a few minutes of exposure to ultraviolet light each day, whether through direct skin contact or viewing, can alleviate pain. The limitation in penetration is due to the intricate interplay between the physics of light and the physical properties of the skin and other bodily tissues. To illustrate, if you were to expose your arm to ultraviolet light, it would mainly affect the surface of the skin and perhaps some cells just beneath the topmost layer of skin. However, long wavelength light, such as red and near-infrared light, possesses a remarkable ability to penetrate various tissues, including your skin. Absorptive properties refer to how the skin converts light energy into a different form of energy. Your skin, however, cannot effectively absorb long wavelength light like red and near-infrared light. Nonetheless, the deeper tissues in your body possess this capability. When red or near-infrared light is directed onto the skin's surface, you may observe a red glow on the skin's surface due to light reflectance. Yet, a significant portion of the photon energy, the light energy within these longer wavelengths, is indeed passing through the upper layers of skin and penetrating deeper into the underlying layers, possibly reaching the depths of your arm. As we transition from understanding the physics of light to comprehending its biological effects, recognizing that different light wavelengths impact our tissues at varying depths is crucial. This knowledge will facilitate your understanding of how light, with its diverse colors and intensities, as well as the duration of exposure, can alter the behavior of cells. What may sound peculiar is that light can pass through specific tissues and get absorbed by deeper tissues within your body. But it gets even more intriguing because different light wavelengths are best absorbed by specific cellular structures known as organelles. Now, what exactly are organelles? Organelles are distinct compartments within cells, each responsible for different functions. For example, your mitochondria, which play a crucial role in generating ATP and energy within your cells, are situated at a specific depth within the cell, not just on the cell surface. The nucleus of your cells contains DNA, positioned at a particular location within the cell. Different wavelengths of light possess the ability not only to penetrate various tissues and cells in your body, but also to access specific organelles, like mitochondria, the nucleus, or other components responsible for distinct cellular functions. This is of utmost significance and holds incredible potential. As you'll discover, certain light wavelengths can be harnessed to stimulate the functions of particular organelles within specific cells, in specific organs of your body.